But before we talk about that final bid, and I think it is going to be shocking, well, I can tell you it's going to be a tremendous blessing. We're going to get started. I just want to kind of take out some of the scrubby stuff here and there. And one of them is this tree. We got a pine tree that needs to come out. Lots of dirt is coming out of this area right here. We're trying to ease up all of this. So I need to go ahead and fell this tree, get it out of the way. This stump's gonna come out.